Recently, I took a long road trip to the Blue Ridge Mountains in North Carolina. I was actually very nervous before I went, but I also knew that I must go to release the stagnant energy, to face my fear, to be free. It turned out to be an amazing trip. We met many wonderful people who were so friendly and in good spirit. Mother Nature once again held us in her big warm arms, nourish us and rejuvenate us. I took my watercolor kit with me and did some sketching in the nature. So today I want to share with you my setup. It's actually very simple. So here they are. A paper pad with a few papers, and I have these magnetic clips, and I put each one on the corner of the paper pad. My palette is metal, so they can stick on it very securely. I also have this little cup, and I have a magnet put on the bottom of it, so it can also stay on my magnetic clip very stably. I carry a little bottle of water with me, and I can fill this cup up anytime. And here are my brushes, very simple. I just carry a pencil and a little brush. And this brush holder is actually handmade by my dear friend Amy in Kentucky. I love it and take it everywhere with me. So here I'm all set and ready to go.